Certainly, here are 10 principles influenced by Marcus Aurelius Stoicism that could enhance your life in 2024. First, prioritize virtue over materialism, aiming for inner richness rather than external possessions. Second, silence negative self-talk, replacing it with constructive self-awareness. Third, reduce distractions to focus on meaningful pursuits. Fourth, discard unhealthy habits detrimental to physical and mental well-being. Fifth, distance yourself from toxic relationships draining your energy. Sixth, confront fear of failure by embracing it as a path to growth. Seventh, practice acceptance of circumstances beyond your control, relinquishing unnecessary worry. Eighth, abandon perfectionism, striving for excellence without being paralyzed by unattainable ideals. Ninth, cultivate gratitude instead of comparing yourself to others, fostering contentment with your own journey. 10th, integrate mindfulness into your daily routine, fostering presence and inner peace. By eliminating these obstacles, you can align your life more closely with the wisdom of Stoicism, promoting resilience, fulfillment, and personal growth. Number 10. Excessive materialism. Shift your focus from accumulating possessions to nurturing inner virtues. In a world often obsessed with material wealth, prioritize the development of qualities like compassion, integrity, and resilience. Instead of seeking fulfillment through external objects, find satisfaction in the richness of your character. Embrace virtues such as kindness, honesty, and courage, which contribute to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Cultivate empathy towards others, understanding that true wealth lies in human connection and emotional well-being. By placing less emphasis on material possessions and more on inner growth, you can foster a sense of purpose and contentment that transcends materialism. Invest your time and energy in activities that nourish your soul and contribute to your personal development. Ultimately, the pursuit of inner virtues leads to a more authentic and fulfilling existence, enriching not only your own life but also the lives of those around you. Number 9. Negative self-talk. Swap out self-criticism for self-awareness and constructive self-reflection. Instead of harshly judging yourself for perceived shortcomings, cultivate a compassionate understanding of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and develop the ability to observe yourself with honesty and curiosity, acknowledging both your strengths and areas for improvement. Rather than dwelling on mistakes or flaws, engage in constructive self-reflection to learn from experiences and grow as an individual. Approach yourself with kindness and understanding, recognizing that mistakes are opportunities for learning and growth. By shifting from self-criticism to self-awareness, you can foster a healthier relationship with yourself and build greater resilience in the face of challenges. Embrace a mindset of continuous self-improvement, celebrating progress while remaining open to feedback and new insights. With this approach, you can cultivate greater self-acceptance and confidence, leading to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Number 8. Unnecessary distractions. Reduce distractions such as mindless social media scrolling or excessive entertainment consumption to direct your attention towards what truly matters. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant stream of information and entertainment, often at the expense of meaningful pursuits. By minimizing distractions, you can reclaim precious time and energy to dedicate to activities that align with your values and goals. Prioritize tasks that contribute to your personal and professional growth, relationships, and well-being. Create boundaries around technology use and establish designated times for leisure activities to prevent them from encroaching on more important aspects of your life. Cultivate mindfulness and presence in each moment, allowing yourself to fully engage in meaningful experiences without the constant pull of distractions. By intentionally managing your attention, you can focus on what truly matters and live a more purposeful and fulfilling life. Number 7. Unhealthy habits. Identify and eliminate habits that undermine your physical or mental well-being. Take a close look at your daily routines and behaviors to pinpoint any habits that may be detrimental to your health and happiness. This could include habits like excessive consumption of unhealthy foods, lack of exercise, smoking, excessive screen time, or negative self-talk. Once you've identified these habits, take proactive steps to eliminate or replace them with healthier alternatives. This might involve setting specific goals, seeking support from friends or professionals, or implementing strategies to break the habit loop. By prioritizing your well-being and making conscious choices to support it, you can cultivate a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Remember that small changes can add up to significant improvements over time, so be patient and persistent in your efforts to create positive habits that nourish both your body and mind. Number 6. Toxic relationships. Create distance from individuals who consistently drain your energy or have a negative impact on your life. While it's natural to want to maintain connections with others, it's equally important to recognize when certain relationships are detrimental to your well-being. Whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague, if someone consistently leaves you feeling depleted, stressed, or unhappy, it may be time to reassess the dynamics of that relationship. Set boundaries to protect your mental and emotional health, and prioritize spending time with people who uplift and support you. This might involve gradually reducing contact with toxic individuals, seeking out new friendships, or investing more time in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Remember that you have the power to choose who you surround yourself with, and prioritizing relationships that nurture your growth and happiness is essential for your overall well-being. Number 5. Fear of failure. Embrace failures as invaluable opportunities for growth, refraining from allowing fear to hinder your pursuit of risks and challenges. Failure is not a sign of weakness, but rather a natural part of the learning process. Instead of viewing setbacks as defeats, perceive them as stepping stones toward success. By embracing failure with resilience and a growth mindset, you can extract valuable lessons, insights, and experiences that propel you forward on your journey. Recognize that every mistake offers an opportunity for self-reflection, improvement, and personal development. Refrain from allowing fear of failure to paralyze you instead. Let it serve as a catalyst for courage and determination. Take calculated risks, step out of your comfort zone, and embrace the unknown with confidence. In doing so, you'll not only expand your capabilities and potential, but also cultivate a deeper sense of resilience, adaptability, and fulfillment in life. Number 4. Excessive worrying. Practice acceptance of circumstances beyond your control, directing your focus towards what you can influence. Life often presents us with situations that are outside of our power to change, such as natural disasters, the actions of others, or unexpected events. Rather than expending energy on futile attempts to control these external factors, embrace the concept of acceptance. Acknowledge the reality of the situation and release resistance to things beyond your influence. Instead, channel your energy towards aspects of your life where you can make a difference. By focusing on what you can control, your attitudes, responses, and actions, you empower yourself to navigate challenges with greater resilience and effectiveness. Cultivate a mindset of adaptability and resourcefulness, seeking opportunities for growth and positive change within your sphere of influence. Through acceptance and intentional action, you can cultivate a greater sense of peace, clarity, and agency in your life. Number 3. Perfectionism. Strive for excellence while recognizing the inherent imperfection of the human experience. Perfection is an ideal that, by its nature, remains unattainable. Instead of fixating on flawless outcomes, focus on continuous improvement and growth. Understand that the pursuit of perfection can sometimes hinder progress, leading to paralysis or dissatisfaction. Embrace the concept of excellence, a standard that allows for growth, learning, and adaptation. Set high standards for yourself, but also be compassionate and forgiving when setbacks occur. View mistakes as opportunities for learning and refinement rather than as failures. By adopting a mindset of striving for excellence rather than perfection, you create space for innovation, creativity, and resilience. Celebrate progress and achievements along the way, recognizing that the journey itself is often more meaningful than the destination. Embrace imperfection as a natural part of the human experience and allow it to inspire you to reach new heights of personal and professional fulfillment. Number 2. Comparing yourself to others. Cultivate gratitude for the abundance in your life and shift your focus away from comparing yourself to others. Recognize the unique blessings and opportunities that you possess and express appreciation for them regularly. Avoid the trap of constantly measuring your success or happiness against that of others, as comparison often leads to dissatisfaction and a sense of inadequacy. Instead, focus on your own journey, your strengths, aspirations, and progress. Embrace the path that is uniquely yours, celebrating your victories and learning from your challenges. Practice self-compassion and acceptance, understanding that everyone's journey is different and that success is subjective. By cultivating gratitude and directing your attention inward, you can foster a deeper sense of contentment, fulfillment, and authenticity in your life. Trust in your own path and journey, and allow gratitude to illuminate the richness and beauty that surrounds you. Number 1. Lack of mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine to cultivate presence, tranquility, and a heightened awareness of the present moment. Mindfulness involves intentionally directing your attention to the here and now, without judgment or attachment to past regrets or future worries. Engage in activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or mindful walking to center yourself and alleviate stress. By developing a habit of mindfulness, you can train your mind to stay focused on the present, fostering a greater sense of clarity and inner peace. Embrace each moment with curiosity and openness, fully immersing yourself in the richness of your experiences. Through mindfulness, you can cultivate a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you, fostering greater resilience and well-being in the face of life's challenges. Prioritize moments of stillness and reflection amidst the busyness of daily life, allowing yourself to savor the beauty and wonder of each passing moment. Eliminating these obstacles from your life can pave the way for a more fulfilling and meaningful existence aligned with the core principles of Stoicism. By prioritizing inner virtues over material possessions, practicing self-awareness and constructive self-reflection, and minimizing distractions, you create space for personal growth and fulfillment. Distance yourself from toxic relationships. Embrace failure as a catalyst for growth, and accept circumstances beyond your control, fostering resilience and peace of mind. Strive for excellence, while recognizing the imperfection of the human experience. Cultivate gratitude for what you have, and focus on your own journey rather than comparing yourself to others. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily life to foster presence, calm, and a deeper connection to the present moment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the wisdom of Stoicism. See you next time on our journey towards financial freedom.